Greetings, viewers and subscribers. How are you doing? Lucky Denny here again. Life a burn. How true, not truth. Keep the fire burning, you know. You don't know what time it is already. And we there, going easy upon Natty pure corner. I go all a little reasoning. So stay tuned.
Greetings, sons and daughters of the Most High. Africa is for Africans at home and abroad. Either Jamaica or want come to Africa, body want go to America, me Rasta, man, me get the port from America, me want go to Africa. So Africa unite. Marcus Garvey, Haile Selassie. Bigger heads them come tell me say unite, but then rather go to Oxford, Harvard and Yale for learn white man philosophy, for come rule black people. You can't rule black people with gun. Nowhere around the world. So watch this one I try to tell. Listen, until Africa unite, my lord, we black people around the world will have no place to go. We are refugees. Like how people run out of Africa, we soon start run out of Jamaica. And I ask, you know, I want a place to go, when we know that Africa dead for we to go. But them now prepared for we to enhance it. Africa the richest place on the planet Earth, my brother and my sister them. Stop make them turn in and men can dump it. We now build a Nile to bring the country up to standard in Africa. Them building a Nile from Ethiopia down to Egypt. And then they make white man telling us say, the dam not for build. If the dam build, we can come home. Because the whole of we have light in Africa, we not have to look to the white man and more for honest, nothing what we are doing. I know Jesus create the universe, you know. Remember me tell me them thing there. I know Allah create the universe. And Haile Selassie create the universe. The universe there when all them great man the born and company and grace it and step foot on this. I tell you. Them carry in a church and turn in a mockery. Because church everybody a go to look for save them soul. God for us all, every man for himself. Because you can't save no man's soul and no man can't save yours. You don't care what nobody are telling you. Because it's not real. Like what's going on right now. We have a thing called Corona. And most people don't believe it's real. But trust me, I'm telling you, things big, and if we don't get ourselves together in Africa to make them people know, say no, it's time for we over there in the Caribbean, where them Caribbean come here, to come forward. Marcus Garvey are telling me a long time, we want to come home, but they're not preparing the way for come home. When they left me in isolation in a Babylon place, I pick ticks out of blood clot, Agbatam. You see my friend? So right now we are saying unity, strength. If Africa don't unite, we around the Caribbean cannot unite. We as black people now going to know which part for call home. We want to know say Africa our home and we want to come home, brother. Me African, me a Jamaican, so we not to just soon touch the ground. We're tired of the philosophy where them give way. Them carry Jesus come to Africa in some century gone by. And we here telling again, Jesus to Allah, to Haile Selassie, to Buddha, all was born on the planet Earth. And of them create this. And of them we can take the oxygen through my nose. And of them give longevity of life. The man that create all of no sexual orientation, neither male nor female. So when we are put one side and I tell you say God is man and God is woman, we don't all understand about things bigger than that we all talk. Until you know them things that the universe reverberate through the brains and for making you get knowledge. And we black people was teaching the whole universe at one time till people build up an idolatry, which is hypocrisy, and take away all of the black man riches, and this is what we in and now around here. We in a poverty around here, because that's where them put we and make us feel like we live in a squalor. We don't believe in that. And we show the world kingdom and dynasty. You know, if you remember the word that me are telling you that. Kingdom, and we show them how to live civilized. But now look what our living and life of living where we live in. We're not living civilized. You know what is civilized? Define your enemy. My brother cannot be my enemy. Now make you understand again, you know. Define on the enemy. This thing what them call COVID-19. Don't think says love them love why them giving us a vaccine, ladies and gentlemen. Remember me telling you that and I love them love we.
Kill them one.
But the point being them trying to downsize what God created. The Bible teach me if you show us the money I go against the Bible and certain creation. philosophy. Go ye forth and multiply. Them want to subtract, meaning minus. No go so. Who's only for tell me that the earth overpopulated? Who's that guy? Who's that girl? Who's that individual? Because sometimes them say go to alien. Nobody know for telling no things when you feel and you know say it's right. But if you hurt your brother and go sleep tonight, brother, I tell little them with some little nephew, me and my big brother never fight yet. I tell them that. Because when the big brother talk, I squat my quat. Tell them that chest ball, which we go. We can't do none of them things. The big brother talk, you get conk in the head, you can't even talk back. So you just know say them things are going on. No, I say brother fight, brother and brother kill, brother and way. Them things are not going on. But what? A different time. Everything not change. Everything not stay the same, I mean. Everything change. Only thing stay constant is time. But our brothers and sisters around the universe want to hear us one black and look at them and laugh a while ago. I tell you, so one black me on the unification of Africa. That is my dream. All African nation coming together and everybody will have things in Africa where they consider them wealth. Them knows that the time has come where Africa is going to unite. And that's when we have Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, all them great men there, and eliminate them, keep eliminate them. Why? Because them do not want that one man to talk and Africa to come together. Unification now will come for the whole of the leaders and we have the heads of state for Africa. I will put down them title for come make a next man be them boss, you know. But the time come, my Lord, we have a sacrifice for everybody. We can't have to be inclusive, we can't have exclusive. Trust me, and the white man philosophy that I them teach you that a unity we said, and that's unity is strength. I open our field, my Lord. Africa is for Africans, and we want to come home and hide them now, feel the black, and the black is out there. So my Mexican virgin come, make you know some little things. It's not a joke thing. Not the pure corner, and we are spread the joy. Because the joy is what? Uniting Africa. Straight.
Yeah, the word of the day is idiot. That is my personal word in my house, and everybody gravitate to it because what? The world look like everybody a turn idiot.
No joke.
You understand? Because when we check the whole calculation, we are resources as how the Rasta say, you know, we have to talk on the Rasta side. Because remember, so we're black, you know, we represent the earth, you know. No white man can't say him represent the earth because the earth don't look like him. And we, the black people, respond to all the resource. The place where we born, it make the world. It make everybody exist because it have so much resource, all kind of different things that we can live in the earth and we can know where we are doing because the material of the earth make every human live good right now. We turn fool, we are fight over the material, we start killing one another. Alright, watch the percent now. The percent get bigger and we get madder. When time me born, you know, the percent is easy. People could have walk all any hours a night because nobody never pay no mind because when you walk by the road all 10 people you see, you wonder how the people they have nobody know there. You understand? No more millions of people coming in the earth.
Talk about the black man industry, you know.
Alright, right now the black man don't have no industry at all. And when we talk about industry, it's not just a one thing. Industry is a big established big business because when you check the whole thing, everything. We are idiot. That's why we have idiot for the favorite word. Diamond. We don't have nothing to do with diamond. And them manage diamond and our business, our country come from, you know. You understand? Come from Africa.
Industry, brother.
Yeah, and right now them print some money named US dollar. The commission on the US dollar right now, them just sit back. Them just sit back because what? Them have a machine where print money every day and them act like them a print money for people. And for them world where them have America is a world by itself.
Thief Africa industry.
Yeah, for
and
thief
them
Africa
use the paper money
industry.
to come take what we have actuality.
Yeah.
We have actual gold, actual diamond, actual oil and them things. So they use them paper where them print for come thief and things.
Right away, as old Natty I tell you, them use certain papers where them set up. Because remember them have to think, you know, to deal with this business in the world, you know. You understand? Them have to think, you know. So right away, the whole thing is like when time them look in and calculate the world and see where it go to, them say, yeah, by certain time we have won the world, you know. Because right now, them not have a brain, you know. And we have the brain because we burn down them place. I remember them burn down with University of Africa, you know. And I try to make university by themselves right now after them read our thing and get far ahead. You understand? And I make we look like say we are not no body at all. You understand? Because them say the black man are not no body, you know. You understand? Yeah. And then make a place called America for 40 years the drinks can't raise. And when you live at Jamaica, every minute something raise. As you wake up, things raise. And when you're in America, 25 million here, nothing can raise at them place there. You understand? People worry if them not go there. You understand? Because the standard of life and the opportunity, people have it there at them place there because them see a better way. You understand when I say, brethren? So right now, even Jamaica with them control, because them say them a king and them a queen, our thing that them have our dynasty, a service all over the world, and have it on a first class, where right now when you look on the whole of them, and them have all the power, black people, negativity, and that I work for black people. Yeah, black people are bust gun, where them not, and them are the mecha feed. You understand? And them make gun. And them are promote it. Yeah, them have it like an idiot. Because I tell you, say idiot are the biggest aspect, you know. And ways make we can say we're an idiot right now because we not live. You understand? If you not live, where you going to achieve? You can't achieve nothing at all. Your life is the most powerfulest thing, the significant, how the woman have how much egg in her, and you as a man.
It's some sperm.
Yeah, and then now the whole thing, it does farm that you, it's not a maybe make you go up there, no, you're a winner. You understand? Because you have billions of things and you go pick up there and survive till you come out.
Yeah, no survival skills there in your life.
Yeah, and right now.
And when you never have no talk, no
well, I know. We have to bring in the politician, and the politician and them people, they are doing the madness to black people right now. Them are the personal. Yeah, because them are take talk from some white people will control them brain cell and I move it. You see much cell in the brain and a man a move a black man brain cell and I put it in a wrong perspective and I kill off the future. You understand? Well, alright, me have grand, you know. And where the future for my grand? Eh? You know, see, I pay sick people. You understand? The youth them look like them now have no life. Things they out of them man. To buy a food right now, you have to have $500-600. Oh, some people are going to get that to buy all the food right now. We never talk about
$100 a hard figure.
Yeah. Oh, you are going to get them ways they know forget all them things there. You understand? So they might put life out of people. Bill Gates and them whole ideas. I make vaccine for kill off the whole of it because he can't make nothing for this where them have. Nothing at all them can't make because of something them gonna do where them not have no understand. So you make things. I talk about put the people and them are revolution people because you have to take it. Where we have to take? We don't have to take nothing at all. You understand? We have God oxygen.
Everything
we have oxygen to breathe. Yeah, and that we're not supposed to go against that. No time at all.
Everything.
The air when in the atmosphere. If you go up the sun, you don't have on the right things by your nose and everything is a dead man. Right. Because the thin ear you're gone in a year where you're not supposed to breathe. Right. You understand? So the earth where we depend, we have people that do so much evil upon the earth and make we not look good as human. The character them not distant again. If the character them not distant, idiot are the personal word because the character get weak. So we have to remember say Marcus Garvey, a cuss black man, You look an idiot and you have no head, warm to your head. And them way them talk to you when him find say him a talk and through the literacy, comprehend with him. You understand? You know listen nothing. Comprehend, sorry. You understand? You know listen when I try to put across to you so that grieve him. Because the first time you have to take the place, like him go up on a stage, a rage. That means him brain, everything start fry up. Because him have too much, him have too much thing to express.
Yeah.
So him can't put out all of them misery at one time. So it fuck up him. That's people that say my idiot and rare.
But
and
one fool make what?
Alright, one fool make menace. And you still more time we have to emphasize.
You have little bit of fool. And you have a lot of fool.
Yeah, you have little fool.
Yeah.
No, you have the industrial fool. Because we couldn't say fool. Remember say industry is like if you now move good at big
organization.
Yeah, we have to talk about a fool said we have.
Watch it, because we have industry.
Yeah.
And yet we're not minding the industry. Who mind our industry? The white man.
Yeah, because the white man.
Our industry is what, ladies and gentlemen, again I'm saying. Who are the gold
The resources
of
of Africa.
Yeah, all them natural resources of Africa our so the
diamond, gold,
the thing when the phone, the rubber they make, the thing we make the battery,
aluminum,
all we can found
things.
in Africa.
Yeah.
My Lord, make we unite now.
Yeah.
Africa already.
We are the richest people in our earth and we don't look good because we're disorganized. We are the richest people in our earth and we don't look good because we don't organize. We don't understand about the
them do this, now we go to America and get to realize it. Them divide me and conquer me. My Lord, we know the whole of the secret them. One second look at the account down. We know the whole of the secret where them use to separate we. Since we know this now, we can put it back together now and start teach about love like when you see me there do brother. I love Africa so much, me have opportunity for left. Yes, right now, go there, me that do it. Straight. And as I tell you now, once upon a time, me that say me want money and me the want riches and me the want it. No, we just need to find unity in strength, in love. And anytime we find that Africa is ours again, everybody with that invade Africa, if you take the wealth out there, with the Africa cease now, because they see we are all together. Blessed my Lord, King Selassie for us all.
So you don't know.
Yeah, so like we tell you now, one fool make many. You understand me?
Yeah.
And in a life, somebody have to lead for somebody follow. And if the people them will lead we blinded and don't have a third eye view, you see me? We the people have to realize that the people them will lead we in a destruction and condemnation.
Right.
We have to take ourselves from all of that and look down from them. We have to look down. Get a bird's eye view and look down upon the fool them. I do a fools do. You understand me? So people, wise up. Try to protect yourself. Protect your family. Keep safe. And always stay positive. Lucky Denny again representing for Lucky Denny TV. Hit the like button. Leave a comment. And share the video for we. I don't know it already upon Natty Pure Corner. Big up on yourself every time. Life a burn. Out true not truth. Keep the fire burning, King,